Alright, sorry I haven't been putting up videos recently. I've been crazy busy getting everything ready for show season. It's that time of year. So, first off, let's start off with what's on the table. This is a Mamod Model Steam Engine, the SE2 model. It's from about 1958. And I've got it hooked up on a propane burner right there. I'll bring you guys over here and I'll just see exactly what I'm talking about with this. So I have what I call a gas bar, which is a pipe, and it's just got 6 jets on it, and it's hooked up to the propane can, and this just plugs in up underneath the boiler. Nothing real special there. So this thing is already hot. It's been boiling. Sorry about that. Had to let off some pressure there with it. The chimney flooded on me. It's not draining properly. I haven't had this thing out in like 2 years though, so that was about time to make a video on this one. That drained with the whistle and pulling the gas bar out, that caused us to lose some heat. So we'll let it build up pressure for a second. But anyway, okay, so as far as what else has been going on with our stuff, everything is up and running finally, and actually next Saturday, September 29th, 2015, I'm going to be up in Richfield, Wisconsin at the Richfield thresheree. I'm going to be showing and I'm going to be selling. So the David Bradley walking tractor is going to be up for sale, the Maytag is going to be up for sale, and the Clinton A341 Arrowhead engine is going to be up for sale. So all that'll be up for sale, and if nobody buys, feel free to email me. I will leave that down in the description. And if you're interested, go ahead and email me. We can take a look at getting a sale on some stuff. Or if you have anything to sell, actually email me, because I'm always looking for something new. Let's see what else. September 20th, North Prairie, Wisconsin. I will have the Ford 8N tractor and the Maytag down there for the Harvest Fest parade, which is at noon. So I will be there. And if anybody else has any shows that they know of that are somewhat close to southeastern Wisconsin, I'm not afraid to drive like an hour and a half for a show. So go on ahead, leave me a comment on that. If anybody can give me some advice on this engine, that would be great. Number one, how do I keep the boiler clean? I can't seem to keep soot off it. I don't know if that's just something I'm going to have to deal with. I was told that propane is probably one of the cleanest burning fuels for one of these little engines, other than like the alcohol burners that were originally put on them. So I hope to see you all out on the show field. And as far as everything else, just comment, email, like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. I'm just going to let this run for a little bit. And yeah, enjoy.